Google just handed you something that changes the math on customer support chatbots entirely. You can now build a custom AI support bot that handles your actual business questions, trained on your own data, using Google Gemini, and it costs you nothing to run. And I'm going to show you the exact prompt structure that makes the bot sound like it actually understands your business at the end of this video. You are going to want to stick around for that because most people skip this step and wonder why their bot feels generic. I am Paul James. I help solo operators and freelancers use AI tools to build service businesses without drowning in subscription costs. And the reason this Gemini setup matters is simple. It gives you the same capability paid chatbot platforms charge $75 to $150 a month for, and you are paying before you have landed your first support contract. That model made sense when there was no other option. Now there is. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is what most people do not realize. Those monthly chatbot fees are not just for the software. They are for the integration tax, the platform, the hosting, the per message pricing tiers, but Google Gemini does not charge you per interaction. You feed it your business data once, and it handles customer questions indefinitely. That shift matters when you are offering chatbots as a service to local businesses. You are not passing a platform fee down to your client every month. You are delivering the capability without the overhead. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients. A $150 monthly bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like this one matter. You are not locked into a subscription stack before you have proven the model works. What I am about to show you is what I call the knowledge stack protocol. It is the method for taking your proprietary business information, FAQs, pricing structures, service details, refund policies, and feeding it into Gemini in a way that makes the bot respond like it actually works for your business, not generic answers. Specific, accurate, on-brand responses that handle the questions your customers are actually asking. Here is how you build it. Open Google Gemini. You are starting with a fresh chat. The first thing you do is establish the bot's role. You tell Gemini exactly what it is, a customer support assistant for your specific business. Name the business, define the tone. If you are helping a roofing company, you say that directly. You are a customer support assistant for business name, a residential roofing contractor serving city. That context matters. It shapes every answer Gemini gives from this point forward. Next, you load the knowledge base. This is where most people rush and wonder why the output feels wrong. You are feeding Gemini the actual information your customers need. Start with your most common questions. Pricing, service areas, hours of operation, lead times, refund policies. Paste those directly into the chat. You can drop in entire FAQ documents. You can paste service descriptions. You can upload pricing sheets as text. Gemini reads it, processes it, and now every answer it gives pulls from your real business data instead of guessing. Now here is what that actually looks like for someone offering AI chatbot services to local businesses. One afternoon, you sit with a plumber who misses calls every time he is under a sink. You pull his FAQ page, his pricing sheet, and his service area list. You paste all of it into Gemini. You set the role. You test 5 common customer questions. Every answer comes back accurate. That setup is a $400 service delivered on free infrastructure. The plumber does not pay you monthly software fees. He pays you for the setup and the results. Let's keep building. Once you have loaded the knowledge base, you test the bot. Ask it the questions your client's customers actually ask. What is your pricing for a water heater replacement? Do you offer emergency service? What areas do you cover? Watch how Gemini responds. If an answer is vague or incorrect, you go back and clarify the data. You add more detail to the knowledge base. You refine the role prompt. This is not a one and done process. You are tuning the bot until the output is indistinguishable from a human support rep who has been working there for 6 months. And here's the thing most people do not see coming. The bot does not just answer questions. You can train it to qualify leads. You add a layer to the role prompt that tells Gemini to ask follow-up questions when someone shows buying intent. What is your timeline for this project? Have you gotten quotes from other contractors? Would you like to schedule a free estimate? Now, the bot is not just deflecting basic questions. It is moving prospects closer to a sale. That is the difference between a support tool and a revenue tool. Most chatbot platforms lock that capability behind higher tier plans. Here it is a prompt adjustment. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client without testing the edge cases. That is where it falls apart. You need to know what happens when someone asks a question the bot was not trained on. Give me 60 seconds. The way you handle unknowns determines whether this looks professional or amateur. You add a failsafe instruction to the role prompt. Something like this. If a customer asks a question you do not have information for, respond with, "That is a great question. Let me connect you with someone who can give you the exact details. Can I have your name and email so we can follow up directly?" Now, the bot does not guess. It does not hallucinate an answer. It captures the lead and escalates to the human. That one instruction is what keeps your client from calling you 3 days later saying the bot gave out wrong information. The paid platforms handle this automatically. Here's how you get it for free. The services this unlocks are straightforward. AI chatbots for local businesses. You are offering 24/7 customer support without the client needing to hire a person or pay for a platform subscription. The roofing company, the plumber, the HVAC contractor, they all have the same problem. Missed calls equal missed revenue. You solve that with Gemini. You charge a setup fee and optionally a small monthly retainer for updates. The tool costs you nothing. The deliverable is worth $400 to $600 depending on the market. Lead reactivation is the other angle. Think about a real estate agent sitting on 200 old leads that never converted. You take their CRM export, load it into Gemini, and train the bot to send personalized re-engagement messages. "Hi, name. We connected a few months ago about properties in area. The market has shifted. I wanted to reach out and see if you are still looking." The bot customizes every message based on the data you fed it. That campaign takes under 2 hours to build. You charge $300. Most email platforms with this level of personalization charge you monthly just to have that list sitting there. Your version runs for free. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what this looks like in practice. You have a client, a local HVAC company. They are paying a call center $70 per appointment booked. They book maybe 10 appointments a month through that channel, $700 in overhead. You set up a Gemini chatbot on their website. It answers the basic questions: pricing, service areas, availability. It qualifies leads by asking follow-up questions. It captures contact info and books appointments directly into their calendar. First month, the bot books 14 appointments, $0 per appointment cost. The client cuts the call center. You charge them a $500 setup fee and $100 a month for bot maintenance. They save $600 monthly. You built the whole thing in an afternoon. The tool did not cost you a subscription. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The exact prompt structure that makes your Gemini bot sound like it actually works for the business. This is the piece most people never dial in, and it is what separates a bot that feels generic from one that clients trust. You open your role prompt like this. You are a customer support assistant for business name. Your tone is define it. Friendly, professional, direct. You have access to the following information about the business. Paste everything here. When answering questions, reference specific details from this information. If a customer asks something outside your knowledge base, respond with, insert your failsafe line. Your goal is to provide accurate, helpful answers that reflect the business's voice and move prospects closer to booking. That structure does 3 things. It locks the tone. It ties every answer back to real data. And it keeps the bot from guessing when it does not know. You paste that into Gemini with your knowledge base attached, and now every response feels like it came from someone who has been working there for months. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You are not pitching vague marketing services. You are walking into a conversation with a local business owner and saying, "You are missing calls right now because nobody is available to answer. I can set up a system that handles those calls as AI chat interactions, answers your most common questions, qualifies leads, and books appointments. And you do not pay a monthly platform fee for it to run. Setup takes an afternoon. You start seeing results the same week." That is a service you can sell today. The tool is free. The capability is immediate. The client outcome is measurable. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.